Everybody, today I'm out in the garden and I'm just going to be potting on. Oh, that's nice, beautiful flower. Notice that, gorgeous. And this one here, I've got this one from Aldi, I think it was, for a couple of pounds. Anyway, back to this. I'm potting on these. These are what I'm putting on these. These lovely Lupins. These are ones I've got. I started off in the Ziploc bags with some kitchen roll, and I left them a little bit too long and some started to rot, so I should have added 20. I ended up with 8. But that's my own fault. I just watered them. What I'm going to be doing now is just putting these on. As you can see, they're well ready for it. I'm just giving them a good water, which I always do with anything, before I put it on. See the roots there, really looking well now, nice fat roots, and these are just starting to degrade, which you should do now. So got them to these 9cm plots. I've got a lot of compost put there, a little bit in the bottom, in fact none in the bottom. They should just fit in there perfectly. Move it round like so. I hope everybody's keeping safe at the moment. I know things are not very good out there, but I can't recommend it enough. You get yourself in the garden, a bit of fresh air. You're not out and about without coming into contact with anybody. Set your plants. It's been a real lifesaver for me, having my garden. Being able to be out and be safe and on my own makes a real difference. Anyway, that's one potted on, if you can see it. As you can see, then all I need to do is give that a good water. They're the first true leaves on, and it's got 4 of the true leaves, so they're the first leaves. They're like part of the seed pod there. The compost I'm using, by the way, is a peat based compost. I think it's 60 or 70% peat. And yeah, I've started off in kitchen rolls. Left them in there for 5 or 6 days, some rotted. I should have been a bit quicker, but the rest have come up really well, as you can see. Yeah, so I'll put these on into these 9cm pots. I'll keep these in my greenhouse over winter, and next year we should have some nice flowers on these. These are my Lupins, and I got these from, I can't remember now. Anyway, you'll see on the first video where I got them from, part 1. So if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, any of my videos, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're on Facebook, please give me a like and please follow, and if you're on YouTube, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe. Remember, everybody, keep safe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Goodbye.